If you're tired of the typical bland pasta salad we always end up with in summer, today in Saladolandia, we're going to break the rules. I'm going to make a tropical pasta salad with a secret dressing that only needs 3 ingredients and completely transforms the dish. But pay attention, because I've also got 2 pro tips for you. The first one is how to cook shrimp, prawns, or king prawns. Those that come already frozen, so they turn out perfect.
With that
texture it has.
the shrimp has to be well cooked.
Just right. And the second is a secret ingredient for the dressing, which will make it emulsify, so it won't stay liquid and the sauce won't end up at the bottom. You'll have real sauce. Nothing watery, that way everything has flavor.
This is a good time for you to pause the video, grab a pen and paper, and calmly write down the ingredients. A lot of people buy
Frozen prawns,
and already cooked.
but they turn out dry. I buy ultra-frozen shrimp or large prawns, but uncooked. I mean raw.
I'm going to make a few shrimp, so a saucepan with water over medium heat. Add some salt. And if you have a bay leaf on hand, even better. When it comes to a boil, add the shrimp. Because they're cold, they'll lower the temperature and stop the water from boiling. From that point, count off 2 minutes. After that time, turn off the heat and place the shrimp in a container with very cold water. This way, you stop the cooking and they keep their texture.
Perfect.
Another saucepan with water as well, and I put in half a cup of sweet corn. I heat it without bringing it to a boil. And then I drain the water. I don't leave them in hot water any longer, because then this corn would get overcooked and turn out super soft. In fact, I rinse it with a splash of cold water again to stop the cooking. We remove the excess water and the corn. I have it already, it's ready too.
If you used a pineapple, you would hollow it out yourself. You could even serve it in the whole fruit itself. But if you use pineapple that already comes in a can and peeled, and you just have to cut the slices, then just use a regular bowl.
As you see, I have a pineapple slice. There are people who like big chunks in it, and I respect that. But if you want all the flavors to blend together, cut it into very small cubes so it'll be more evenly distributed.
Thanks! Are you one of those who enjoys fruit in a savory dish? For example, the classic pineapple on pizza. Tell me in the comments and feel free, because we're here to debate without taboos.
Say it. And now let's cook the pasta. As always, pot, water, and salt. And once the water is very hot, add 100 grams of pasta per person and cook it for as long as the package says. If you want it al dente, a little less. If you want it softer, a little more. In fact,
To remind you that you can change the type of pasta, I always like one.
that has a bit of shape.
Spiral pasta shapes work great because the sauce gets into those little nooks and everything tastes better. Notice that this is the magic of the video. Just the right amount of dressing to enhance the flavor. A complete dish. And forget about the same old oil and vinegar, man.
Look how super easy it is. Per person, 1 tablespoon or at most 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And here you're going to add a bit of the pineapple juice. There you go. You're also going to add a scant teaspoon of, yes, this is going to surprise you. It's today's magic ingredient, curry with that distinctive color and aroma. How do you make it milder? With mayonnaise, it's an amazing touch. And the freshness of the pineapple is really surprising. Mix it, you've got it now.
And now that we've distributed all the ingredients and everything is ready, all that's left is the simple assembly. Remember, I've given you quantities for 1 person. To make it for 2, double it. For 3, triple. For 4, quadruple. For 5, you get the idea.
In the bowl or plate where you want to mix it, place the pasta at the bottom. There it is. I use spiral pasta and also colored ones to give it even more variety. And always leave little spaces so the sauce can seep in. Now that we have the pasta all set, let's move on to the second ingredient, corn. We're going to add a layer of sweet corn that, as you saw, I just warmed up a little so it's al dente. We add all the pineapple and any juice that's left on the cutting board, and also the shrimp, using that trick to cook them quickly, cleanly, and perfectly. We have the colors and flavors already. What's left? The magic dressing. And there we go. We put it right on top and the tropical salad bowl is ready. You can serve it as is and let the guest just take it and mix it at the table. But if you really want to enjoy this dish, serve it with all the colors visible.
Because
we also enjoy things a little with our eyes. It couldn't be easier, and it couldn't be more delicious. Today, we're breaking the rules of boring salad.
It's time to see if that dressing really tastes as spectacular as I say it does. It's incredible. The shrimp are firm, not rubbery at all. And the hint of pineapple in the dressing, it cleanses the palate. It makes it incredibly refreshing. You have to try it this summer, no matter what. If someone dares to hollow out a pineapple and fill it with this salad, let me say, I think it's a winning idea, 100%. And if you like easy, quick, and impressive recipes, this is your channel. Subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. What other fruit could this go well with?